Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm super excited. I am reviewing and doing a full swatch test with all these lipsticks and doing a look with the palette and also using both mascaras from the Colourpop California Love collection. And you guys, I don't like neutrals. If you guys are new to my channel, I love color, but I do prefer neutrals sometimes, and this is one of those sometimes. This is not your everyday neutral palette. Now, a lot of neutral palettes I kind of steer away from, but this one has neutrals that work beautifully with the yellow in my skin. This is such a beautiful neutral palette. Not only that, but this color is amazing. It does have a beautiful pressed glitter. I tried to use as many shades as possible on my eye. I did use 9 shades in this palette, and you guys, let me just show you a couple of these swatches. These colors are stunning. Look at that one on my pinky. That's not my pinky. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. As always with every palette, I do show you guys swatches. So here is these swatches. They are beautiful. They are so rich and buttery, and I love that they work so well with the yellow in my skin. These are my kind of neutrals. Here is my Instagram handle as well. Make sure to follow me. I do a lot of swatches and product shots and makeup looks on my Instagram feed if you guys are ever interested. Now, I did get the whole collection, and the whole collection is $60, but like every collection, you can buy everything individually. It does have 2 new BFF mascaras in a really beautiful rich chocolate brown and a really pretty coral, and it did have 5 ultra blotted lips, which are a new formula to me. I've never tried them, and I actually really enjoy it. It's light, and it does give you the illusion of like you blotted your lip, and it doesn't like evenly apply to your lips. It kind of has little spaces like it's just been really beautifully wearing off, like you've had it on for a while. So I actually kind of like it. It is a little like powder feeling when you purse your lips together. It's soft, but it feels like there's powder. I don't know. It's a weird feeling. I don't know if I like the feeling of it. I don't know how these wear throughout the day, but it did dry down really fast. It seems to stay put, and it is transfer proof, so that is one thing to note. So the new colors for the BFF mascaras are Brownie Points and Lover's Coral. Here these two are. Really pretty, you guys. I am wearing Brownie Points on top, and I'm wearing Lover's Coral right on the bottom. It does give you a little kiss of coral. I haven't put this on the top lashes yet, but I feel like the coral one would look really beautiful on the top. And for the lips, there is 5 new colors. There is Scenic Route, which is a really beautiful kind of peachy nude. There is Cypress Hill, which is more of a dusty rose kind of nude, but it looks like it does have slight amounts of red in there. Ojai There, which is a beautiful coral. Swing Away, which is more of a coral, but it looks like it has a little bit more red in there. And Double Double, which is a beautiful purpley pink. Now, I do swatch all of these on my lips if you guys want to see, and if you guys are interested in seeing this eye look as well, then just keep watching. This is one of my absolute favorite browns to wear. It's like a terracotta red brown. These are my absolute favorite browns. Oh, it's so beautiful. I mean, these just blend together flawlessly. My lips look terrible. Sorry. I don't like neutrals, but I love these neutrals. These are my kind of neutrals because I have a lot of yellow in my skin, so I think the more warm tone neutrals look really good on me. I'm not gonna lie. This color is quite flaky. It is definitely a lot loosely packed than the other ones, and it does have like some, oh my, that's beautiful. Okay, it is flaky, but I feel like if this is something that's applied wet, that might melt into it and create a much more richer, almost cream to powder type finish. I did not use this wet, but oh my gosh, can you imagine? I don't like neutrals, and I think this is like my new favorite palette because it's so pretty! Oh my, so beautiful. I'm actually going to use El Capitan here, and I am just going to push this right on the center of my lid. This is a really beautiful glitter. And I am going back in with Perusing here, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. I am going in with a beautiful chocolate brown from Deck of Scarlet to smudge my top line here. I actually need to get the gel liners from Colourpop that are brown because they are beautiful. And for my waterline, I'm going in with Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Starfire. And I just want to bring in some more of this beautiful terracotta. Alright, so I am going to use both of the new mascaras. I'm going to use Brownie Points on the top lash, and I'm going to use Lover's Coral on my bottom lash. Brownie Points is a really beautiful dark chocolate brown. It's very beautiful, especially if you want a more natural look. And this palette accents with this mascara perfectly. I love this palette, you guys. I am just like, I can't stop looking at my eyeballs. So for blush, I'm actually going in with a duo Colourpop duo, and it doesn't have a name on it, but it was from that spring collection, I believe, like last year sometime. It does have a highlighter and a blush, and this one is more of like an orange corally color. So for highlight, I am gonna go in with a gold because I just want a gold highlight all over my face. And I think what I'm gonna do is go in with the Milani Rose Glow, and I'm gonna go in with this golden quartz here, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of pearl directly on top. So just gonna layer them and make me look as glowy as possible. And then I'm going to take rose gold here, and I'm just gonna hit the very high points of my face We're gonna be super glowy today. All right. Ooh, I love it. I feel so glowy and California-y. Ooh, look how much color I have on my face. All right, you guys. And for my lips, I used Scenic Route, which was the very first lip swatch that I did right before the tutorial. And it is a beautiful peachy pink nude. It's really beautiful. I love this color so much. This is gonna be one of my favorite colors, I think, for summer. It's so beautiful. Well, that is all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!